Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna go through how to set up your DreamHost account and how to sign up. So first of all, when you're here on DreamHost, you want to go ahead and click get started, or you can also look at the hosting plans. So for example, if you will be using yearly, you can look at these prices. As you can see, you can start with the shared one and then upgrade, or instantly you can start with a good hosting plan. So I'm just gonna choose a monthly plan and sign up. So as you can see, you can choose a domain later, register a new domain, or if you already have a domain, then just add it here. Or you can register and basically pay for it. So I'm just gonna enter my own domain name, just like so, and assign it here. Now, as you can see, you will need to pay now. Enter your card details, billing information, and add this credit card. You also will need to set up this account, and they will offer you a Dream Shield protection, which is actually really good thing, and I think I will take it. And also you can add a DreamHost email, so we will definitely do that. Now let's add our details here on credit card. And now, before you purchase this, make sure to look at these additional options. I would suggest to take a Dream Shield protection so no one would see your address, phone, and so on and so forth. Also, they have a really good plan for the mail if you want it and if you need it, and also some other things. Google Workspace for a free 30-day trial, and also we can take this one too. And make sure to read this option that the selected hosting plan will last for 3 months, and after that it will renew at a different price. So make sure, and then you submit your order. And now here you have your account. You can actually have all of this dashboard checked. You can have your domains here, manage your registrations and transfer your domains here. You can also buy a domain here. If you don't have it, they offer pretty good prices. And also you can manage your websites and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's how you set up your DreamHost account. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.